Samsung is expanding the reach of its first major software update for the Galaxy S24 series, initially launched in South Korea, to several European countries this week. The update, sized at 746.5 megabytes and labeled with firmware version S24XBXXU1AX5, aims to enhance the initial user experience by fixing a range of reported issues. One of the highlights of this update is the improvement in display vividness across the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra models. Users now have the option to switch between natural and vivid display settings, allowing for more personalized screen color intensity. This addresses the feedback from users who found the original vivid setting too similar to the natural one. Additionally, the camera experience gets a significant boost with this update. Enhancements include better image quality when shooting against bright light, improved exposure and white balance in indoor and night mode shots, and more vibrant colors in food mode. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, in particular, benefits from clearer text at high zoom levels and sharper, more detailed videos from the rear cameras. For Galaxy S24 series owners looking to update their devices, they can do so by navigating to the Software Update section in the Settings menu and tapping Download and Install. Alternatively, the latest firmware can be manually downloaded from Samsung's firmware library and installed via Windows PC. This update comes in response to user feedback regarding the initially subdued display colors, a departure from Samsung's traditionally vibrant screens. By introducing the vividness adjustment slider, Samsung aims to cater to users' preferences for more punchy colors, following a trend of adapting to consumer feedback for ongoing product improvement.